February 13, 2025, the UWIC Senior High School presentation starts. With no work and no place to go, we decided to watch the morning, afternoon, and evening presentations. Grades don't come, we make them. So we spread across GRU to celebrate the University Week. This is Aliana, Erica, Ethan, Francis, Kathy, Nash, and me, John. We are Group 4. Be one of us.
Opening the door just to see if you walk through. Started painting all the walls just to see if you like the shade. I would love just to be stuck to your side. Just enough just to keep us occupied.
Welcome to the library exhibit. It is currently 9:43 AM and the exhibit is lively with multiple stalls and many people exploring and viewing all types of educational information, where students showed off their artworks, creativity, and talents. As we walk through the exhibit, it is filled with artworks and games to check out. That stalls that is filled with bright and vivid colors and creative designs, including the fun games each stall has to offer. The staff on each stall is helpful and fun to talk to.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So, ito yung Akaholic. Sila yung first group na nagpe-perform ngayon. And, dito na nagsimula yung mga technical difficulties ng afternoon. So, ayan, umambon. Kaya pinakit kami sa CB Auditorium. 10 floors inakit namin. Ayun, ang saya. So, para daw fair dun sa mga contestant, pinaulit nila yung dalawang naunang mag-perform dun sa quad. Tapos nung pinaakyat, pinaulit nila yung performance and mas effective nga siya. Mas maganda yung naging performance nila compared dun sa quad kasi mas maayos yung mic and walang ambon. Ito siguro yung naging favorite ko na part kasi si Kuya talaga sa harap ko. Si Kuya sa harap ko. Cheer siya na cheer. Okay, go lang. Okay na naman. Tapos ito, nagsisigawan na yung lahat kasi ang ganda ng boses ni Ma'am Manila. Kung tama ba yung naalala ko. Ayan. Tapos umiyak ako. Ewan ko kung ba't ako naiyak. Ang ganda kasi ng boses nila. Charot. Basta.
Our champion is Akaholic.
Ngayon po nasa booths kami after ng afternoon performance.
ng afternoon? What? Wala.
After ng ayun, after ng presentation. Ano ginagawa dito?
So, ayan, yun yung kinakasal guys. Deal pa, deal.
Nangyari lumalagad isang shortcut butter. What's up everyone? It's currently 6:35 p.m. no? Yeah. Oh, 6:35 na. Mag-start na yung evening presentation. Ano yung pwede? Oh, ayun. And I hope to have a good time. Siyempre, gusto ko makita maraming sayo. Anyways, hanap na kami ng upuan since nag-start na. No? Sige, signing off ulit. Natapos na. Ayun na, natapos na sa wakas. Pagod na ako, ikaw. Anong oras na ba? Anong oras na? Anong oras na? 8:42 natapos. Iniwan ako ni Nash. Kasama ko na yun si Alipio. Ano naman ang isip ko sa event? Okay yun? Rating. Okay, maganda. Uwi ka na, no? Oh, sige, ingat. Ayun na. Group 4 signing off. Bye.